A local doctor accused of negligence and sexual misconduct disciplined by the state medical board. Tonight, a woman who says she met him for an appointment is speaking out, saying she felt something wasn't right.
23 ABC's Alyssa Flores spoke to a woman who says after that one appointment, she switched doctors. Alyssa?
Yeah, Tim, Jessica, the complaints brought against Dr. Jason Hallowell are from several breast augmentations and a liposuction procedure that led to infections, ruptured implants, and emergency room visits, according to his patients. Now, a discipline decision coming down from the state medical board. He is allowed to continue practicing with restrictions.
I felt uneasy and then leaving.
Kirsten Miner said all it took was one visit in 2016 with Dr. Jason Hallowell before she made up her mind she didn't want to go back.
Talked to my fiance and he was like, I felt uncomfortable. Also, like, he gave me bad feelings.
Gross negligence and sexual misconduct. The Northwest Bakersfield doctor facing 42 months of probation for those charges from the state medical board.
Wasn't surprised, but I was. I was surprised at how much there was of it and that this was just now kind of happening to him.
Hallowell practices at the Advanced Women's Health Center, shown here to offer OBGYN care and cosmetic surgery. According to documents, it's Hallowell's work as a cosmetic surgeon that's under fire. Liposuction and breast augmentations between 2011 and 2014. Several women claiming that Hallowell's treatment caused complications after their procedures, in some cases leading to infections, emergency room visits, and ruptured implants. One woman claiming reopened incisions went untreated for 6 days because Hallowell was away on vacation. She claims when he eventually told her the implants would have to be replaced, he suggested, quote, he could poke a small hole in the implants and claimed they were ruptured so that she could get credit towards another augmentation. Documents say a 23-year-old woman who was one of his breast augmentation patients claims she and Hallowell had a sexual relationship while she was his patient and paid her cash for her services, meeting at motels, her apartment, or his office to have intercourse. Last month, Hallowell was disciplined, placed on 42 months probation, meaning he can still practice with restrictions, requiring him to have a third party present while consulting, examining, and treating female patients, and prohibiting him from practicing cosmetic surgery, with exceptions like liposuction and vaginal reconstruction procedures.
After I came home and I realized that I talked to other people that had felt that way going to see him, and it wasn't just me, like I didn't have pregnancy brain, or I wasn't making something out of nothing.
Miner says though she did do some light research on Hallowell before heading to her appointment, it wasn't until after the appointment that she dug deeper.
Noticing that he had news stories and people were saying that he was getting charged with things.
Miner says ideally a doctor facing charges in discipline like this should have to disclose it in a place as obvious as the front door.
They should have some sort of disclaimer that lets women know what they're going into.
She's recommending anyone looking to visit a doctor for the first time always be thorough.
Do your research.